Hi, I'm Paul Gould. Today I'll be demonstrating using Shaker Desk to master all analog from Open Reel Tape to Lacquer Master Record. Let's go! Shaker Desk was developed and built at Salt Mastering over a 15-year period. It is the largest, most elaborate, and full-featured console for vinyl mastering ever built. It has roughly 4 times the features of the most advanced vinyl mastering consoles Neumann ever built. Today, I will be demonstrating the general workflow of using Shaker Desk to master all analog from Open Reel Tape to Lacquer Master Record. There are 3 main pieces used for all analog mastering. First is the Studer A80 Preview Deck. It is a specialized tape deck used for cutting Lacquer Master records. Today, we will use the half-inch tape version. There are other decks for other tape widths and tape speeds. The second piece is Shaker Desk. The standout feature of Shaker Desk is the A-B path switching. The console is divided into 2 halves, the A path and the B path. Now I will explain the purpose of the A-B path switching. A record is a single spiral from the outside diameter to the inside diameter of the record. The groove in the Lacquer Master Record has to be cut from the beginning to the end without interruption or editing. To have different settings for each song, it requires having the same mastering equipment duplicated. Changing settings from one song to the next song has to be done in the time in between songs. There isn't enough time in between songs to change all necessary settings. That's why we need 2 sets of identical equipment, the A path and the B path. The third piece is the Neumann VMS 66 disc mastering lathe. This lathe was manufactured in 1966 and has a storied history. Let's go over the workflow used to master all analog from tape through Shaker Desk and on to the Lacquer Master. The first step is to put up the tape we will be working from. Depending on the speed the tape was recorded at and the speed the record is to play at, the tape is wound around the rollers in different patterns. This deck is playback only. There are 2 playback heads. The first head feeds the variable groove lathe automation system. The second head is what gets recorded onto the Lacquer Master Record. The different roller patterns provide the correct delay time the variable groove automation system needs to see. This pattern is for 30 inches per second tape and 33 1/3 revolutions per minute record. Now we can set up the A half of Shaker Desk for song 1. Shaker Desk is a full modern mastering setup. It has 2 full-featured 4-band parametric EQs and 2 full-featured compressors. It also has separate high-frequency limiters, high and low-pass filters, elliptical EQs, and a level adjuster, along with some other goodies. Now, we will play this tape and get the settings for song 1.
Pushes away question. Great pushes away question. Grace stops the spin.
Now that we have the settings for song 1, we can move to the B half of Shaker Desk for song 2. Now that we have the settings for song 2, We will check the transition from song 1 to song 2.
There, abstract, pure, central. Abstract, pure, central. Abstract, pure, central.
Once we are satisfied with the settings for songs 1 and 2, we can move back over to the A half of the console for song 3. We would continue in this manner until the settings for a complete side are completed. Let's pretend this is a 4-song EP and we just completed the A side. Now we are ready to cut the Lacquer Master record. I will start song 1 near the end so I can demonstrate the A-B path switching from song 1 to song 2.
Abstract, pure, central. Abstract, pure, central.
So, that is the basic workflow of using Shakerdesk to master all analog from open reel tape to Lacquer Master record. So if you have a project that you recorded all analog and you want to keep it that way, you should use Shakerdesk. I hope you liked the video.